Alright, hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to yet another video. Video ati late begutudo because khatsa the khanim weather ati lejumade plus videos only mood chemo, and honestly everything that I recorded looks a bit colorless. Feel chimo baba. So anigi videos okay, but there is the sun's shining, the color is great, the vibes amazing. So yeah, shooting the intro a bit late, and yeah, I'm here at this camp called Touching the Earth, and we're here at Punakha. This place is called Katsotang. It's a beautiful place, guys. Swings do, you have beautiful cute tents down there, good food, bonfire. Basically the whole camp has been really very nice and productive. I feel very, redeemed, guys. Redeemed, rejuvenated. And yeah, now camp nalungachit. We are of total 27 participants, I guess, and I'm gonna go around, give you guys a tour, and also participants karda chiga chachi chechuge matching this tua. So yeah.
Hello, this is also.
Kuzambo, I'm Cheng Punso the Great. I'm very, very, very sleepy right now, but the rest of the day, I think we're gonna have fun. So I'm holding in my sleep.
Hey guys, stage name is Soya and my real name is Doji. So what's up?
Hello everyone, my name is Hotso, and it was wonderful meeting people in the Touching the Earth Key Camp, and I hope to see in future also. Bye.
Hello, my name is Karan and I'm here, and this is one of the most leisure time I'm having in the camp.
안녕. 사랑해. 장밍 놀라기라.
Hello channel, welcome to my guys. This is Vegetarian aka Izumani Shotgun or / Guto.
Hello everybody, this is Sel Doji. Follow me on Instagram.
Hello everyone, this is Samden. Follow me on Instagram. It's now I'm not Kobin.
My name is Ninjit. Yeah, and man, I'm glad I came for this camp. Yeah, that's what I feel right now. Because I had no idea what's gonna happen. And, it turns out so nice. Yeah.
Hi, Kuzampo, I'm Kunsang.
Hello, Kuzampo, I'm Somchude. Thank you.
I'm Pema Sigelson. You can call me CG or PCG. Thank you very much.
Kuzampo and Ting.
Hello everyone, my name is Kawan Gelson. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm here at the Aware and Awake camp organized by Touching the Earth, and I'm having one of the best times of my life.
Hello, I'm Chen. Nice to meet you all.
Hi everyone, my name is Tim Pam, and we are here on the camp, and we are having fun. Achi Park is so fun. Everyone here is so fun. Thank you. Bye.
My name is Ogen Paltaptochi. I'm here on Touching in the Earth just as a helper. Thank you.
What's up? I'm Rick Sarwangchuk. I'm with Touching the Earth.
Hi, I'm Pam.
My name is Sonam Nurbo, and I feel very, very happy. Super happy. Relaxing. Thank you.
Hi, Gashlamni. This is Tashi, and I'm part of Touching the Earth team.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ni hao. My name is Jeff. Kidding, I'm Jamyang. My name is Jeff. Kidding, I'm Jamyang.
Hi guys, I'm Dachun Lama. I'm a singer, and yeah, I'm here in Punakha for Touching the Earth session. Bye bye.
Hello, I'm Druxel. I am really touched and so happy to meet so many cool, talented, amazing people. Thank you. Just the intro.
Alright guys, garagi intro lensai. The garagi intro zoom chipe watching. This is your boy Park Sonom. You already know Domina. And if you haven't yet already, make sure you all subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notified. We are very close to 50k subs. So yeah. And also guys, let's make 100k a reality, guys. Domina. It has always been a dream. Let's make it happen, guys. Touching the Earth gikole lapchimo. The camp is basically touching the earth, but has its own theme, and the theme is aware and awake. So yeah, guys, the journey lab jestu. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the camp as well. All right. So yeah, do not leave the video. Guys, now I'm gonna give you guys the tour of my tent. It's a bit dark, lighter at the made. This is my tent, guys. Nigi tent made the bewachin. It was soya. So yeah, this is how the tent looks like from the inside. My tent amchi jixt me, but I'm gonna give you guys another tour of a tent. So yeah, check it out. All right. This is tent number 3. Looks something like this. Yeah. Now this is a bit spacious from inside. Yeah, guys. This is where we've been sleeping for the past 2 nights, and honestly, the camp has been an amazing experience. It was a much needed vacation, I'd say. My dinlodi, it's kind of a redemption, because city life na day atichi, you know. Yeah, ma busy bera limeba. Meditation session bedong ache, churu bonfire bedo, mindfulness kikole rolabdo. And here's my boy Norla.
Hello.
What's up, my man?
Example, nice to meet you. Big fan at you. I've seen your work. See you at you.
Thanks, bro. Anyway, respect. Well, Norla is a funny guy. I remember, bro. So we're gonna go around, and this is a parkour giving someone a good massage, I say. What is Zongo doing, man? So everyone's having an amazing time doing a gara chill vibe now. It's so good. I wish we could, stay for another 2 nights or something, but yeah. Honestly, ani camp na lunga che. I'm picking up the trash, guys. We've been having so much fun. Dele nalu omdar kongi concept labde ba. It's 90% fun and 10% dharma labbe. So yeah, dharma session nalle we just had some meditation sessions and all that. It was basically, I never thought it was 100% fun, guys. So the camp was 100% worth it. The last minute na videos although I hope this video does well. And yeah, took some pictures of everybody. Here are the pictures, guys. The camp has finally come to an end. Everyone's picking trash, and I doto na paper today, and I thought it was the best time to end this video. So yeah, we are a family of 49,000 subscribers now, and we are very close to 50k. And thank you so much for supporting any channel grow Beramayo. So I love you guys. And also a huge shout out to viewers, supporters from Australia. Thank you so much for watching my video, showing your love and support. This video, it helps a lot. So yeah, keep supporting. Thank you so much, guys. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you all subscribe, hit that bell icon to get notified. And that is it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Last na bujun dengan nam sam sem gaila.
Thank you. Before we leave this camp, tea break chungu guys. Oh, is everything packed? Ooh. Heading back.